Hello and welcome back to TURKEYLEG TV. I'm Brandon P. So what are we doing today? We're finishing up that screwdriver. Before we get to that, make sure you like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. So one of the first things I wanted to work on with this new screwdriver is, as you can see, this side comes out quite a bit. So I want to bring it to the belt grinder and I want to bring it down to shape, and I want to get this nice and looking like, you know, a pretty squared away screwdriver. So let's get to doing that. Well, it's looking beautiful, so I guess the next thing we gotta do is get ourselves a grinder with a 120 grit flap disc, clean this bad boy up, and then put a regular disc on it, cut her off so we can put our handle on. So let's go do that. So, grinding is complete. It looks beautiful. Next thing to do is to file this thing and sand it down to make it look beautiful and ready to go into the forge. So I guess the next thing we do is get to some filing and sanding. Let's do it. So now we just got to get the forge started and get this bad boy rocking and rolling. Alright, boom. So, our screw is all tidied up now. It's sanded down, it's been filed, it's been quenched, it's everything. All it needs now is a handle. And the wood we're going to be using is an African Paduk wood. It is a very waxy and a hard, stable wood. It's going to be perfect for the wear and tear that the screwdriver is going to be through. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.